Honestly, I was not ready for this crowd. It's been years since I've been around this many people, and my usual well-planned nature completely dissolved. This video is 11 minutes of overwhelmed, aimless wandering, a raw look at what happens when a traveler loses their focus, but gains a genuine, unfiltered view of a major landmark. Follow my shaky lens as we get lost inside the cosmos, literally and figuratively. The first thing you notice inside is that the crowd is everywhere, occupying every square foot. I was so overwhelmed I couldn't think straight. I had no idea which level one was on or where I should go next. My lack of planning is evident in the shaky, random shots, but look closer, even in my confusion, the building's artistry shines through. Take this staircase landing, for instance. Above me is a fascinating skylight and chandelier combination. The design is far from simple. I love the color contrast, the black frame against the bright, daylight white bulbs. And the light well isn't a perfect circle. That oval outline, combined with the round skylight, seems to subtly mimic planetary orbits. These hidden astronomical symbols are everywhere on the building, but you have to fight the crowd just to stop and observe them. I decided to follow the flow and took the steps down a level. Thankfully, the crowd density seemed to thin out a bit here. The path naturally guides you into the main exhibit area. If this room were empty, I believe I could spend days here, learning tons about cosmology, astronomy, and planetary science. But today, it's a quick tour, a flyby without stopping for specific exhibits. You, the audience, will just have to follow my random lens to see what we captured. In the middle of the flow, I captured this large, round, shield-like disc. I believe this represents one of the ancient civilizations' interpretations of our universe, showcasing their early cosmological models. It's a powerful contrast between how we view the universe now, and how our ancestors first began to map the stars. After that, I was truly lost again. Should I go further down? Or go back up to the rotunda? My nervousness and the sheer number of people made it hard to settle on a direction. It just goes to show you, even the most amazing, knowledge-filled places can disrupt your focus. This entire visit became an exercise in overcoming sensory overload. Let's see which direction the crowd pushes me in the next video.